It's like a fantastic roller coaster. Sometimes you look at a roller coaster, you're like, nah, not for me. This time, this one looks awesome.
Yeah.
Woo. Yeah, it's a little cold. It's a little cold. Yeah. Woo-hoo! All right, I've done this. I've done this. No big deal.
Problem, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you won't scream like a little girl next time.
Hey, should I try? I'll try. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Oh! Woohoo!
Yeah!
Oh my God! I was a bird!
Yes, it was.
Oh! Oh! Yeah! Oh! I hit a bird!
He hit you? Oh,
Yeah! I hit a bird!
Because I watched this, it kind of, I don't think, wow.
Like I high-fived a bird. Like
Yeah,
it hit the wing.
That doesn't usually happen.
Has that ever happened to you?
No.
And 400 roller coaster flip, and it's on video.
Yes.
I hope we got that. Oh my God! I was a bird. Oh my God! I was a bird.
Yes, it was. You could be like, what was the guy that, the guy that's on the front of all those books, the housewife books there, what's his name? Flowing
Fabio?
hair. Fabio.
Yeah.
Fabio hit a seagull.
Did he?
So
On
there
a
you
roller
go.
coaster?
You could be Fabio.
I'm basically Fabio.
There you are.
Woo!
Oh,
Well, we're clearing out the birds for everyone else, I guess.
exactly.
Yeah.
Doing a servo.
I hit a bird.
How was your ride?
I hit a bird.
I said, how was your ride?
It was fantastic. A bird flew right past my head and hit my hand. I think I might have hit the wing of the bird with my hand. I definitely hit it. I don't know what part of the bird I hit, but I think I might have high-fived it.